Hello friends, now we will be doing the MRR entry or the gate GRN entry, which is linked to the gate entry that we did in the previous video. The MRR entry or the GRN entry is the acknowledgement by the store that yes, I have received the material that was received at the gate. We consider that MRR or GRN as the main document for stores, because store person using his knowledge and experience will correctly verify the material and see that the items are entered correctly in the MRR as per the bill of the vendor. In case of any difference, he can raise a flag and inform the vendor accordingly. Let us now see how a GRN is made in Finsys using the gate entry done earlier. We go to the inventory module and go to transactions. Transactions is one sub menu which has the main transaction activities that are done by the stores. The first option is called material receipt inward. We select it. Our GRN MRR screen opens up, which is a comprehensive screen to record most of the information that is on the vendor bill for record purpose. We press on the new button as always. Go to the MRR based PO. We have to imagine a situation where the store person has the vendor bill and the gate entry slip in his hand. On the gate entry slip, it is clearly written PO based material. So he selects the PO based material. The gate entry that was done earlier pops up on the screen. Only those gate entries which are yet to be posted as GRN will show here. That means the gate entries for which the store person has already done a GRN will stop showing in here, automatically knock off as soon as the gate entry MRR is made. I select this gate entry number and automatically whole of my screen gets filled up, reduces my effort, the effort of the store person, and reduces errors, because in ERP system the main feature is that the subsequent department uses the data of the previous department. So this is lesser effort and faster entry. The MRR number fills up, the gate entry number fills up, vendor name, bill number, bill date, in time, vehicle, items, quantities all get filled up. The rates from the GST master are automatically filled up and calculated here. Now the store person has to simply verify the amount of the vendor bill and the calculated MRR so that he is sure that the calculations of the vendor are correct. He can also fill up certain things like whether the GST papers have been received or not for taking the credit, whether any premium freight has been paid to receive the material, whether this was related to some test certificate it has been received or not. Certain times vendors also include some freight and cartage charges for supply of the material. So that amount can be put here. And finally the condition of goods, whether they are okay, not okay, he can put it and save. There are some other information like if there is any waybill number, any sales, and the remarks even from the gate entry slip are automatically filled, practically reducing the time of the store person to a very less extent, and he can simply save it. Ready, the MRR is saved. The printout can also be referred. It is the MRR for capital PO type material from this vendor. GST number is such and such, MRR number is this, gate entry number is this, material is this one, the PO attached is shown, the indent attached is also shown, and the remarks are also shown. So you are seeing the process of creation of MRR is very easy because it picking all the data from the gate entry. So ERP system gives you option of sharing of data and forward movement of data. So we have seen that with Finsys ERP system, gate entry data can be easily converted into GRN and ready to use. Now if we press new again, the gate entry is removed because MRR has been made against it. So this completes our first step of GRN creation. Now we can see some of the reports of the stores module relating to MRR. The most important report is the MRR report, which gives in searchable mode whatever material has been received in factory and MRR has been made. MRR report. Let us see how it works. We click here, select the time band, select the party filter if required, and press OK. System asks if I want to see a particular series of MRR. Suppose I just want to see my customer return MRR or my PO base. So I select yes, otherwise I can select no and see all. The system shows me here that MRR number this party, this item, advised quantity and received quantity is this much. This is the rate, this is the landed cost, this is the bill or batch number, type, what was the PO number attached to it, what was the gate entry attached to it, who made the MRR, it is pending for inspection, it can be seen from this place. It will not reflect in stock unless the quality is done, then the store flag is no. What was the time of receipt of material in the factory? How was it received? Whether any test certificate were received or not? What is the row total and grand total? We can easily see over here. Condition was okay and GST number was such and such. All the information relating to the MRR are populated on one screen. It is a search mode report. You can, let us say, search on printer. You can say print. Only that transaction which contains this print word will show here. So it is very easy to use. We have seen how to make a MRR from a gate entry. It is very easy, autofill of all the data, saves time and gives high accuracy. Thank you.